everyone. 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Mega love shout out. Good evening everyone. Hello Gallery PSP. Good evening. Mega love shout out. How are you Gallery PSP? Thank you for support. Thank you so much Gallery PSP. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you also for liking my live. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Mega love shout out. 5 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening guys. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Mega love shout out. Good evening everyone. Hello Philippines. Hello. Good evening. Mega love shout out Philippines. How's your day today guys? How are you guys? Thank you for coming to my live. And Gallery PSP also and Philippines. Hello Philippines, how are you? So ngayong ay, nagulat ako. Maris Smolsky Katayo. Oh no. Wait lang. I will translate you in my Google Translator. Hello. Good evening. Mega love shout out. Hello, Ma'am Jan and Gracia. Thank you sa patusok. Good evening po. Mega love shout out. Tapos na kayo mag-live. 6 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good evening. Thank you, Ma'am Jan and Gracia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Philippines. 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening. Okay, sige po. Kumain na po kami. Kaya hindi, ngayon pala kayo nagluto. Oh, late na kayo magluto. Nga. Thank you po, Ma'am Jan and Gracia. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Thank you. Sige, luto lang po kayo. Ayan, luto mode na muna. Ayan, naka-dinner lang namin. Ayan. Sa inyong 4 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening guys, good evening. Thank you Gallery VSP, Jan and Gracia and Philippines for coming to my live. Thank you so much everyone. Mega love shout out. Thank you guys. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening. Ano na naman siya? Come on. Up. Hello everyone, mega love shout out. I will see. Pakikita natin sila sa'yo. Okay, hello everyone. Hello, I'm Sia. Hello everyone. 4 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening guys. Good evening. Good evening guys. Mega love shout out. Galit ba ikaw? 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Yan, anak na namin ito guys. Yan ang mga anak ko. This diba? Mabait ito. Si Sia nga. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening guys. Good evening.